Hey guys, I'm showing you this Poetic Guardian MagPro case for a Google Pixel 8a 5G. So this works with the MagSafe, works with the Fingerprint ID. There are two frames with it. One is without the screen protector, one is with the screen protector. Full body shockproof clear cover with a built-in screen protector as I mentioned. So let's open this with the screen protector one. So it comes in a protective packing and one with the screen protector cleaner cloth and the accessory. So this is just a wet cloth and a dry cloth to do it. And then just open this box here and you can see a clear protective thing with the MagSafe thing. So just take out this insert. So if you change this insert, this other one is the without the screen protector, and the back is the MagSafe one and the front is the fingerprint ID one. So say if you put in the phone, so this one say the is for the without the screen protector. So you can just use this insert in the phone if you don't want the screen protector. So both way you can use this. So the back one is the MagSafe case and MagSafe compatible, and here, and then the front is all protective, cutout speakers and everything is all set. So this one, if you put the insert, you can see the case.